Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Anzo Projector headlights. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat surface, facing a wall about 25 feet away. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight lens. Then, mark this exact height on the wall with a piece of tape. This initial setup is crucial for accurate adjustments and ensures your beam pattern is correctly aligned before you begin any fine-tuning. Next, open your vehicle's hood to gain full access to the Anzo headlight assembly. You'll need to locate the two main adjustment screws on each headlight. One screw controls the vertical aim, moving the beam up or down. The other manages the horizontal aim, shifting the beam left or right. These are typically found on the top or side of the housing and usually require a Phillips head screwdriver for adjustment. Now it's time to make the actual adjustments. For vertical alignment, turn the appropriate screw to move the headlight beam up or down. Aim for the brightest part of the beam, the hot spot, to be just below your tape mark on the wall. Then, use the horizontal adjustment screw to fine-tune the side-to-side spread, ensuring the beam is centered and not pointing too far left or right. Make small turns and recheck the pattern. After adjusting, take your vehicle for a test drive on a dark road to confirm the beam pattern is correct and safe for driving. Ensure both headlights are evenly aligned and provide adequate illumination without blinding oncoming traffic. Double-check all connections and mounting points for security. For more tips and to grab that Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check the description below for links to products and other great deals. Your night driving experience will be much improved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.